Hello, my name is Corrine and I'm a design team member from Studiolight, and I'm going to show you some new essentials die cuts from Studiolight. We have new tags and they are named the lovely tags and the ticket tags. That's because the corners, they are showing you as a ticket. In each set are 6 tags with the reinforcements. And what I'm also going to use and want to show you is these numbers. These are big numbers. The numbers are, I'm going to look for you, about 5.5 centimeter high by about 3 centimeter. 5.5 by 3 centimeter. And I want to make a card with these, with the ticket tags and the numbers. So I have to put this aside. I already done some die cutting, so I can go gluing something together. And I'm going to use the sticky tape this time. You can use the sticky tape is from the Marlene collection from Studiolight. You can use the tacky glue from Studiolight, and you can use the tape from Studiolight. It's what you like to use. That's for every person different. But you know, I have a shaky hand, so it's for me easier to work with liquid glue, so I can put it a little bit aside. That's too width, so this can go away, and we are going to glue this on top of this lovely ticket tag. Now I used both names of the tags. This is the ticket tag and the other one is the lovely tag. To look on the back side, not too far downstairs. Oh, that'll be great. And then you can put this on top of the white one. I prefer always using white cardstock. You get a clean and fresh card. And also this card is clean and simple. It's for me a little bit of difficult because I always want to put more and more and more on a card, but I thought this time, no, Corrine, you have to go clean and simple because it's about the new products that you want to show. So this one is already done. I have 4 numbers for you, and I will let it show you 23, not 32, then it's at the opposite. I use for my top of my numbers, I use the easy craft tape from Studiolight. Then you made stickers of your paper. It's the easiest part to die cut and put them together. So let's do it. I hope I have enough. It's a little bit tricky. I not made a big paper, but I think it's enough. I will do 2 together. Well, I hope my little puppy won't go to bark. When there is coming someone at the door, she's barking. So if you hear something, then there's someone at the door. Now she's lying asleep. She's a little bit tired, so she has to sleep. So her lady, me, can make this card with you. Okay, let's run it through the die cut machine. And I will show you how easy it is to put these two size of numbers together. Okay, this is already done. Now I need my tweezers. You can also put the dies together, so then you can create a shaker number. But this time I'm doing it the easiest way. First I have to peel off the back of the tape. Like that. Oh my goodness, it's going to be on my puppy. That's not where it's meant to be. She eats everything. She's a little naughty dachshund. Okay, that's first number. And the second. Can see you don't have to use liquid glue, so you have no dirty glue everywhere because you have made a sticker of your paper. And how easy it is to die cut it to your machine. It simply fits. Okay. Now the last one. Let's put them on my magnetic because I don't want to lose it. Oh, I need a little reinforcer. And I'm not sure I have enough left over. Otherwise I have to put some tape. Yes, I have enough. I can take it from that side over here. You need it because it's otherwise it's not finished. You know what I mean. Well, you know, I am a Dutch lady and my English is not so great. I'll try. I do my best. I know you like it, so I'm not afraid to do it. That's not every time you find the right numbers, the right. Well, let me put the numbers. Okay, the right words. You're looking for words, and sometimes they come and sometimes they don't. But I think you see what I'm doing and then you know what I mean. Let's put this one over here. Now this one is already finished and decent. And now I'm going to glue this so to top. As you can see, it's a little bit of difference in height. So we have to put some foam tape at the top of the numbers. So I am putting them also this way. Where is my scissors that can cut tape? Not too big. It's not necessary. Small pieces are enough. But then it's not shaking anymore. Now I am going to put them a little bit on the place where I want them. I think this will be okay. I start with this one. And now I need some glue. Not much, a little bit. think this way it will be okay. I have a tea ruler, so let's use it. It's a long time ago that I used this one. But it's a little helping hands, I think. Oh my goodness. Don't fall down. Yes. Oh, the foam on top. Okay, that will be great. And then the number 2. Don't switch them. Then we are going to 2032. That's a long time. Then we have to put it in the closet for a very, very long time. Okay. Let's put them over there. Put the back of it. A little bit of liquid glue, and as you can see, it's almost straight, not too far from each other. Yes. I like it this way. How easy. And what I'm going to do next is I had a stamp because it's 2023 and I want some, not too much, a little bit of happy everywhere. What I'm doing, so you can see how I try first, and it's not too heavy. Black is too heavy, as you know what I mean. First I thought I'd take green, but that was also too much. 1, 2, 3. So you can make your own design paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that'll be enough. Now we have to make a rope. So where is my organza? I have small organza lint. Organza ribbon, you name it. I'm so sorry. And I think, yes, I do it that way. Not too big. It's not the most important thing, the ribbon. It's an extra thing. So you don't have to make it more important. Let's put this also right. Okay. And now I'm going to put it through the hole. And a little piece of rope of this one, because it fits. And I like rope, and I like ribbon, and I like lace. I like everything. Not I only do a knot because I don't like, how do you say, a strick We say in Dutch strik. Oh, that's another word I can't find. A bow, yes, and now I know it. I don't like it to make a bow on it because it's too much. Know what I mean? Okay, very lovely, like this way. A little bit smaller. This one a little bit longer than that one. And then our Christmas card, no, our New Year's card with the tickets tag and the big numbers from Studiolight is done. I hope you like this video, so if you like it, thumbs up. Maybe see you next video. Bye bye.